Hi guys, so I thought we'd give you another tutorial here and throw in. We just kind of look around through some stuff and maybe pick something to find out and try and, oh, wait, what's this? What the hell is a Wapiti? I'll tell you, it's actually an elk. And that's what we're going to go over now. So, you can type Wapiti -H in your terminal, and this will give you all the different things. And you see there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do with Wapiti. And yes, it's pronounced Wapiti, not Wapiti. But this is for scanning websites for vulnerabilities. Okay, it's just another type of scanner. It actually uses Nikto and a few other modules during its scanning process. And we're going to use this vulnerable website, the cheese site. Okay, and I already have a pre-prepared script line here for it. Now I'm going to go through it so you can see what everything is. Okay, so we have Wapiti, and then TACU for the URL, and you put the URL in. Okay, then S. Now S, if we look over here, I'm going to show you. S is the amount of force that's used. Okay, and you can go with paranoid, sneaky, polite, normal, aggressive, or insane. Okay, so we're going with aggressive. Actually, you know what? Let's go crazy. We'll go with insane. How's that? Why not? It's a site we're legally able to play around with. And I put the color tag in there so it would show everything in color instead of just a basic white or whatever you have your terminal set to. I have the verbose level set to 2, which means it's going to show us everything. The format I want it to come out in is HTML, and the scope of what I want to do is the URL. Okay, you can do URL, domain, or something else. Let's see. Let's find scope. I know you're in here. There's so many different things you can set on this. Here we go, right near the top. Scope, page, folder, domain, URL, or punk. We're setting it for URL, okay? So anything within this entire URL. The output, TACO, it's going to go to home, my username, desktop, and then target site, which we have the folder right here, and I have it open so you can see the files pop in place. Okay? So that's the command line for our application. And we're going to hit enter and let Wapiti do its thing. There we go. Pretty quick. It does a good job. You saw everything popped in place over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and take those away from root. There we go, so they're not locked on us. And now we're going to check out our HTML. It's the one here. You see with the URL on it, in case it gives you one or two HTML files. Okay, and here's the report, and very nice looking report. The Wapiti logo there. Okay, and so we see here we've got 2 vulnerabilities under content security, so we'll click that. Alright, content security policy not set, so 2 vulnerabilities there. Okay, let's go back. Ooh, 8 vulnerabilities found here. HTTP secure headers, let's see. XRAME options not set, XSS protection not set, so you can do cross-site scripting on this site. X content not set, so you can remember the earlier, if you saw the earlier episode tutorial that we had about web shells. That means if you can get a web shell on there, you can do quite a bit. Strict transport security not set, XRAME options not set, all kinds of stuff not set there. So that's a big no-no. Very insecure website, but that's why it's there. It's for pen testers and all to test and learn their tools with. So this gives you an idea some of the things that you can do with this. Okay, and that's basically what it's for. I'll put this back where it goes. Space 1, there you go. So that's Wapiti, and you can go through and set a bunch more options to it too if you want to. What I do suggest too, though, right from the get-go when you get it, not over there, over here. There we go. What I do suggest you do first. One too many T's, not I's. There we go. Wapiti, and do, I believe it's update. I would run that first, okay, and let it update the modules and all that it has, and you see it runs through that pretty quick. So, alright, have a good day, guys, and enjoy Wapiti.